Hi there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you never miss a recipe. Today we are making a simple, hearty and an absolutely delicious dish, bacon fried cabbage. It's quick and perfect as a side or even a main meal. Let's get right into it. Here is what you'll need for this recipe: a cabbage that is shredded, salt and black pepper to taste, chopped onions, some bacon that is cut into cubes, paprika, garlic, and Dijon mustard. Simple ingredients, but trust me, the flavor is next level. Start by heating a large pan over medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, toss in your diced bacon. We are going to let it cook slowly so it renders out all the beautiful fat and turns crispy and golden brown. The best pan to use for this is definitely a non-stick pan. Give it a stir occasionally to make sure it cooks evenly. And oh, the smell of bacon cooking is one of the life little joys, isn't it? Well, I believe you agree with me on that one. Remember, a detailed recipe is linked down on the description box. Be sure to check it out. Once your bacon is crispy, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Place it on a plate that is lined with a paper towel to absorb the excess fat. Go ahead and add in the sliced onions. Stir them around so they soak up all that smoky bacon goodness and let them soften for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in the minced garlic together with the Dijon mustard. Stir it through and let it cook for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Be careful not to let it burn. Next up, add in your smoked paprika together with salt, then start to combine everything. Don't be tempted at this point to add water to deglaze the pan, because I'll show you later in the video what will happen. Now it's time for the star of the show, our chopped cabbage. Pile it right into the pan. It might seem like a lot at first, but it's going to cook down nicely. Give everything a good stir so the cabbage gets coated in the bacon fat, onion and garlic mixture. And if you like a little heat, feel free to add in a pinch of chili flakes to the dish. Cover the pan and let the cabbage cook down for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want it tender but still with a bit of a bite, not mushy. As the cabbage cooks, it releases some moisture, and it is very important in deglazing the fond that had already stuck onto the pan, and that is flavor. That's exactly what I'm doing here, deglazing with the moisture that the cabbage has released. You don't need any other liquid to deglaze the pan other than what the cabbage releases. Once it is cooked to your liking, give it one last stir and taste to adjust the seasoning if needed, whether the salt, black pepper or the chili if you're using. And finally, add in your bacon. Stir everything till well combined, and that's it. Your dish will be done at this point, and it should be so flavorful and you will enjoy it as is or even as a side. And there you have it, bacon fried cabbage. It's smoky, savory and packed with flavor, perfect as a side dish for dinner or a light lunch on its own. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes just like this one. Until then, happy cooking, but also remember, I have more videos that you can check on and binge on over here.